5 little known tricks that will make you an affiliate marketing superstar. Welcome back, affiliate marketing enthusiasts. In today's video, we have something special in store for you. We'll be sharing 5 little known tricks that will skyrocket your success in the world of affiliate marketing. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, these secrets are guaranteed to take your affiliate game to the next level. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Trick number 1 is all about targeting the right audience. To become an affiliate marketing superstar, you need to understand your target audience inside out. Who are they? What are their interests, needs, and pain points? By gaining this deep understanding, you can tailor your marketing efforts to resonate with your audience, increasing the chances of conversion. Remember, the more precise and specific you're targeting, the higher your chances of success. Trick number 2 is all about leveraging high-converting affiliate programs. Not all affiliate programs are created equal, and some have higher conversion rates than others. Research and identify affiliate programs that align with your niche and offer products or services that are in high demand. Look for programs with attractive commission structures, reliable tracking systems, and strong support for their affiliates. By choosing the right programs, you set yourself up for greater success in your affiliate marketing journey. Trick number 3 involves harnessing the power of email marketing. Building an email list is a game changer in affiliate marketing. By capturing the email addresses of your audience, you can establish a direct line of communication and nurture relationships with potential customers. Send out engaging and valuable content through newsletters, promotions, and personalized recommendations. This way, you can build trust, establish yourself as an authority, and increase the likelihood of conversions. Trick number 4 is all about creating compelling content. In the vast ocean of online information, you need to stand out from the crowd. Create high-quality, engaging content that captivates your audience. Whether it's through blog posts, videos, social media content, or podcasts, make sure your content provides value, educates, and entertains. Use storytelling techniques, visually appealing graphics, and persuasive language to capture your audience's attention and inspire action. Last but not least, trick number 5 involves tracking, analyzing, and optimizing your affiliate marketing campaigns. Successful affiliate marketers are data-driven decision makers. Track the performance of your campaigns, analyze the data, and identify what's working and what's not. Optimize your strategies based on these insights, making adjustments to improve your conversion rates and maximize your profits. Remember, continuous improvement is the key to becoming an affiliate marketing superstar. And there you have it, folks. 5 little known tricks that will make you an affiliate marketing superstar. By targeting the right audience, leveraging high-converting affiliate programs, harnessing the power of email marketing, creating compelling content, and tracking and optimizing your campaigns, you'll be well on your way to achieving affiliate marketing success. If you found this video valuable, don't forget